Hello, beautiful people, welcome to our channel. We always think about how to fit and active our body, so today I am talking about tips to fight with diabetes. Are you living a diabetic life for years? Time has come to put a stop on the daily problems that you suffer from. Buy natural diabetes supplements online from Quantum Naturals and experience the difference in your sugar levels. At Quantum Naturals, we offer Quanto Diab Forte, which is one of the best natural supplements for diabetes. It is comprised of natural extracts of fenugreek, cinnamon, bitter gourd, and also combines the goodness of well-known anti-diabetic herbs that maintain the healthy blood sugar levels and provides nutritional support effectively. Intake of Quanto Diab Forte daily before the meal is one of the healthiest and natural supplements to control the sugar levels. Unfortunately, a diabetic patient cannot run away from the side effects like increased thirst, frequent urination, intense hunger, fatigue, blurred vision, and more. But there are several natural ways that you can incorporate to maintain the blood sugar levels. Therefore, Quantum Naturals is here with the natural supplement for diabetes and some simple tips to control the blood sugar levels. Physical activity. The dedication to physical activity is the key to many health solutions. For those who are overweight, it is extremely important to lose the extra kilos hanging on the body. To become fit and fine, start doing extreme workouts, or also you can consult an expert dietitian for early results. Healthy diet. A healthy diet is essential for reversing pre-diabetes. Always choose foods that are lower in calories, saturated fat, sugar, and salt. Also, diabetics should fill their plate with the food items that are rich in fiber like whole grain cereals, bread, or rice. Regular soda and juices should be avoided. Always choose water over them. No stress. Diabetics should stay away from the stress because it increases their blood sugar levels. Therefore, whenever you suffer from stress, start deep breathing, gardening, walking, meditating, listening to music, or anything which you love to do. Water stored in copper utensils. From ancient times, drinking water stored in copper vessels is advised. It has numerous benefits for the body, and keeping control of blood sugar level is one of them. Put a cup of water in a copper vessel overnight and drink it every morning. When water is stored in a copper utensil, tiny copper particles leach into the water and make it copper charged and strong enough to fight against the severe health problems. No smoking. The intake of tobacco is not only responsible for increased sugar levels. It slowly damages the whole body and causes several health problems like heart disease, stroke, eye disease, nerve damage, kidney damage, and more. Hence, to stay away from these problems, make a promise to yourself today of quitting smoking. Quantum Naturals assures all the diabetic patients that Quanto Diab Forte and these simple and natural ways will definitely help them in controlling the sugar levels. If you are tired of searching the herbal and diabetic nutritional supplements online, then hit our website today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Are you serious about your health? Please check the description. Thank you.